Come test drive the 2019 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed and is priced below $130,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.